Hello friends, this is a oldest camera. This camera name is KB10. This camera is belong to Kodak company and the model is called KB10. Kodak KB10. Today we're going to dissection this camera. We're going to open this camera and we'll see what are the things are there inside this camera box. Let's start the video. For that we need this kind of screwdriver. I will open this screwdriver and I will show you what kind of screw is required to open this camera. This is a screw we're going to open by the help of this screw. So I am using screwdriver. I inserted. Now everything is fixed. Let me open. Then we open this one also. Now I opened the backside. Here you will get another screw in this location. Okay, the screw is here. Now I'm going to open that screw. Here another screw you will getting here in this part. Here also you're going to open the screw carefully. After that keep it here on magnet. Then another two more screw here you are getting here, another here also you are getting here. See, these two screws also we are going to open. Here also. Now I removed all the screws, so we're going to remove this one also. Here you can remove this is a lens. I'll show you the lens. This is a lens. Here you are getting a lens, small lens. Okay. Now I'm going to remove these are the things also. Now this screw also you're going to remove from here like this way. Now I'm going to remove this supporter like this. I'll keep it aside, and now we try to remove from this side. See, camera is now is open, as you can see. Let me see any other screws out there. I'll check. ये निकाल दिया. I open this one. Now I'm going to remove this one also. Yes, everything is removed safely. See, this is a front cover. I removed and I keep it aside. This is a back door. Here Kodak is written, and this one also I kept aside. And this one also we're going to remove. Here you are getting a lens, and this is a lens. And this one also we're going to remove. Here also you are getting another. This is a circuit board. I'm checking any other knots are there or what. There's a click, and here one more knot is there. And here also. This is a circuit board. I remove from this camera. Small circuit with flashlight, and all capacitors are there. Now this is a front lens. Yes, I remove carefully. Yes, this is a front lens. Two lenses I collected. So here one more screw is there. We're going to remove. Any other screw? Let me check. I'm going to remove this one also. This one also. This one also we're going to remove. So spring. You see, this glass also we're going to remove. Right is. Wow, nice glass. Well, here also you are getting another glass. See, this glass also we're going to remove right now. These two things also dropped on, and we're going to remove this. This is the main lens light. Okay, we're going to remove this. This is a portion. We'll see any is there. Okay, now it's coming out the roller. See, now see this portion also, eyepiece also came out. See, this is the eyepiece of main camera, and here also you are getting a lens, objective lens. See, this is a objective lens, and we're going to remove this one also parallelly. See, this is a lens. I'll keep it aside. Now I'm going to remove this roll. See, this is a roll. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, finally we remove everything from this camera, and this camera is looking like this, and this is the components of this camera. Okay, oldest camera, and these are the lenses I collected from this KB10 oldest camera. See, this is one of the objective lens, this is also objective lens, and this is a two main lens, and this is another lens. This is a concave lenses. You can see these lenses are used for best picturization. That's why here in this camera we got lot of sharp pictures when I was clicked. Okay, like and share. ये देखिए KB10 का शॉटर कैसा काम करता है। था पहले ऐसा ऐसा काम करता था, और यहाँ पर पीछे एक स्क्रू लगा हुआ होता रहता था, और इसको निकालने से ये निकल जाएगा। आपको दिखाता हूँ। हेलो दोस्तों, देखिए मेरा एक ओल्डेस्ट कैमरा था KB10, उसको मैंने अभी रिसेंटली इसको डिसेक्शन किया है, और इसके अंदर से मुझे ये 4 लेंसेस मिला है। ये 2 ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस है, और जो ये 2 लेंस जो मेन लेंस है जिसके थ्रू हम लोग मोबाइल मतलब कैमरे से फ़ोटो क्लिक करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू गोइंग टू मेक ए मोनोकलर at your house. So this lens I was collected from my oldest camera, name is Kodak KB10. First you have to remove this lens and use it as an eyepiece, and this is your another lens, and keep it in front of this eyepiece and do it like this, and definitely you will get a good images. Hello friends, today I am going to explain how you are going to make a powerful monocular by the help of this lens. This lens I collected from Kodak KB10. This is my oldest camera. Take this front lens as an eyepiece, and this one you keep it in front of this lens and do some adjustment, and definitely you will get good images. How to make fish eye for mobile phone from oldest camera. This is a Kodak KB10. Here I collected a lens from this camera, and first you turn on your camera of your mobile phone, and then take that lens and fix it in backside of your camera, and now you are getting a good images. This is called fish eye. Like and subscribe. Hello friends, today I made a fish eye camera lens for my mobile phone, and this lens I was collected from my oldest KB10 camera, and this lens is working nicely. Don't throw, use it.